Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into NoPing, a service designed to improve your online gaming experience by reducing lag and connection issues. But is it really worth using? Let's find out. What it is. NoPing is a VPN-like service that optimizes your connection to game servers, aiming to lower ping, reduce lag, and prevent disconnections. Its main purpose is to give gamers smoother gameplay and a competitive edge, especially for online multiplayer games. How it works. NoPing works by routing your game traffic through its specialized servers, selecting the fastest route between you and the game server. Users can choose from multiple server options, monitor ping in real time, and even schedule connections for specific games. It supports a wide range of popular online games across PC and consoles. Who it's for. NoPing is designed for online gamers, casual or competitive, who struggle with high latency, frequent disconnections, or lag spikes. It's particularly useful for players in regions far from game servers or with unstable internet connections. What people are saying. Gamers praise NoPing for noticeable ping reductions and more stable gameplay. Some users, however, mention that results vary depending on location, internet speed, or the game itself, and that it requires a subscription. Pros. Reduces ping and lag in many games. Easy-to-use interface with real-time monitoring. Supports multiple games and platforms. Option to choose the fastest route to game service. Cons. Subscription-based service. Effectiveness can vary by region or internet connection. Not a full replacement for a poor internet connection. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're a gamer struggling with lag or high ping, NoPing is worth trying for smoother gameplay. Just remember, results may vary, and it's a paid service. And that wraps up my NoPing review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.